Hello everyone, this is Helen. Welcome to Helen's Eats. Today we are gonna make Coke flavored chicken wings. This pack of chicken wings have 10 in there. I'm gonna use all of them. Let's see what we need for the flavor. Dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, star anise, cinnamon stick, green onion, sliced ginger, and cooking wine, and then Coke. Here I have some water in the pan. I add the cinnamon stick, the sliced ginger, and green onion. I should have also added the cooking wine, but I forgot. I'll add later, it wouldn't hurt. Now we add the chicken wings. Now I cover the lid and bring it to boil. This is when I remembered the cooking wine. It's not too late. When it's boiling, let's remove the lid and let it bubble for another couple of minutes. Then we can get the chicken wings out. Then wash them a few times until they are clean and not sticky. Drain and dry them with paper towel. Use a fork to poke some holes on the chicken wings. This will help the flavor to get in better. Now let's heat up a wok pan, then add some oil. I also add some sliced ginger and star anise. And then put all the chicken wings back into the pan. Sear them on medium heat until they turn golden. Now add more cooking wine, the dark soy sauce, and the light soy sauce. Here's the Coke we put at last. For 10 wings, you probably only need 1 cup of Coke. I poured a little bit too much Coke here. It wouldn't affect the taste, but you'll need more time to let the liquid to evaporate. Now turn up the stove to high heat and bring it to boil. When it's boiling, turn down to medium heat. After about 15 minutes, the chicken wings should be done. If there's still a lot of liquid left, we can turn up the heat and let the water evaporate faster and thicken the juice. When all the juice is almost gone like this, it's done. Every wing is coated with the flavorful juice. Let's eat. They are sweet, but not too sweet, juicy and tender. Thanks for watching. I upload new recipes every week. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Leave me comments below. I'll see you in the next video.